This beautiful house in rural Israel, believe it or not, is built out of shipping containers. This amazing house from outside is almost impossible to tell is exclusively built using shipping containers. This two-story house is built using 8 shipping containers stacked 2 stories high, with even the 8th container flipped upside down to create a staircase shaft for the house. The entire structure is covered with an additional lean-to roof, covered with corrugated steel and enough insulation to create an amazing modern house which looks like any other conventional building. From the entrance, you are ushered into a big open plan living space with a lounge area, a dining, and an open plan kitchen. This modern house is well lit with maximum daylighting from the floor to ceiling, glass windows, and sliding doors. The interior is painted white with corrugated container ceilings left exposed to celebrate the industrial charm of this amazing house. That is a view of the lounge area, showing a good arrangement of a comfortable couch, a floor mat, a nice console with a flat screen TV mounted on the wall for your entertainment. The big glass windows and the white painted interior drenches this amazing living area with maximum daylighting. That is a view of the kitchen, a distance from the couch and the lounge area. The kitchen is big and modern enough to accommodate a center island with a dining table that can seat 4. The kitchen is equally big with enough counter space, with an amazing kitchen backsplash, creating this beautiful setup with a seamless flow between functions from the kitchen to the dining cum breakfast counter and also to the dining and lounge areas. From the living space, we have this screened area that ushers you into the inverted container that serves as the staircase shaft. The stairs run all the way, connecting the 2 stories of the house with additional spaces, including the bedrooms. This is a view of one of the bedrooms, and it is well furnished with a double bed, maximum daylighting from the big glass windows, and enough closet space on the lower side, giving you amazing setup of a bedroom with adequate storage space. That's a view of one of the bathrooms in the house. It is big enough to accommodate all the essentials of a functional bathroom space, and it is also well lit with big glass windows, creating a well lit bathroom space that is functional, welcoming, and aesthetically appealing. This is a view of the master bedroom, and it is well lit with big glass windows, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience where the full height glazing slides open, ushering you into a big outdoor living space that creates an amazing indoor-outdoor living experience. This is a view of the TV mounted on the corrugated container walls. There is a console, and also we have an additional reading table next to a kitchenette. There's a view of the bathroom, an amazing modern bathroom space with a freestanding tub, There's also a shower stall and a big bathroom mirror plus a custom designed wash and basin with a wooden pedestal. That's the view of the exterior of the house, showing a big swimming pool on the backyard with unrestricted access from the master bedroom. That's a view of the nice outdoor space with the hanging chairs, with an amazing view of the poolside, and the big container cargo doors have been left intact to serve as door shutters and also as design elements to bring out the industrial charm of this amazing shipping container home. That's a view of one of the outdoor spaces on the balcony, showing this amazing setup and also additional outdoor living spaces like this fireplace, creating a nice place to gather in the evenings. This is the general view of the landscaped area around the house, showing what is possible with proper landscaping and good design using shipping containers as the main building blocks of this beautiful container house. What do you think about this amazing build? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you've been wondering how you can build your own shipping container home, worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you by putting together one of the best and comprehensive building guides for shipping container homes on the market. This comprehensive book contains more than 300 pages of hands-on advice, real-life examples, and step-by-step building instructions designed to take you from dream to reality. Inside this book, you'll find 14 detailed chapters. They cover everything from understanding what shipping containers are. You will learn about sourcing and buying of shipping containers. Inside there, you'll also find out planning, budgeting, and costing for your shipping container house. This guide goes ahead to tell you more about site preparation and the best foundation to use for your shipping container project. In addition, the most critical part of shipping container architecture, which is ventilation, insulation, and condensation, are the most detailed chapters in the book. You'll also have information on electrical and mechanical systems. There's a detailed coverage of interior and exterior finishes. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus. We have given you a floor plan of our most popular design. In addition, you'll find a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean. This guidebook is packed with full color images and illustrations, making every step clear, visual, and easy to follow, even if you are new to construction. This is the most detailed building guide on shipping container architecture you'll find on the market today. Feel free to download 2 free chapters of the book using the link below. If you enjoy the 2 chapters, go ahead and purchase the book using the links in the description below. The book comes as a paperback. There's an ebook and also an audio version of the same. If you like it, give us a positive review and recommend it to other readers. Enjoy the reading, enjoy the building.